friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understand the basics of percentage, everything in just 5 minutes. You're going to get your concept absolutely clear. So for this, I'll give you an example. Let's say I have 20 ice creams. Okay? I have 20 ice creams. 10 of them is vanilla and 10 and the remaining 10 is chocolate. Are chocolate ice creams. Okay? So if I say that 10 of them 10 of these 20 ice creams is of vanilla flavor, then that means that 50% of these ice creams are of vanilla flavor, correct? Why 50%? 50% of 20 of these 20 ice creams are vanilla flavor. Why so? Because I know that 50% is half, right? But where did this half come from? Okay. Now, what we're actually doing is nothing. We are changing this 20 into 100. We are saying that if this 20 was 100, then if this 20 was 100%, see 20 here is 100%, 10, that is why 10 is 50%, because because 10 is half of 20, and that is why 10 becomes 50%. So we are not doing anything. We are just saying that if my total was 100, and then how much is the part? See, I'll give you one more example. Let's say I have 48 bulbs and I say that 12 of them are defective. Okay, 12 of them are defective, and I ask you the percentage, what percentage of the bulbs are defective, then of the bulbs are defective, then what you do is nothing. You say 12 of 48 is actually one fourth. See, if I have this whole thing, if it, 1, 2, 3, if I divide this into four parts, and this entire thing, if I say 48, and if I shade this one fourth, so this, you know that this is one fourth, and how much is this? 12, because 12 plus 12 plus 12, sorry, 12 plus 12 will give you 48. And now I'm doing the same thing. I am just drawing the same thing again. But this time, this entire thing is nothing but 100. Okay. And then I shade this part and I tell you, and then, so what is this part? Is this 25? 25? 25? 25. If you multiply 25 with 4, you're going to get 100. So this one fourth is 25. That means what? It is 25%. This is why 12 is 25% of 48, because in this case, what is happening is that 48 is my 100. So I'm asking you that if 48 is 100, then 12 is how much? I am changing the total in terms of 100. Okay, in terms of 100, this is the same thing we did. We said in the first example that if 20 is 100, then how much is 10? Then 10 is 50, right? If 20 is 100, then how much is 10% of 20? I know that if, again, say, I'm asking, if, let's say this is 100, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 100. And I shade this part, then how much is this? You know that this total, let's say it's 100. So this shaded part is what? 10%? Because if you add 10, 10, 10, you're finally going to get 100%. And I'm asking the same thing. Now let us say this is 20. I have divided 20 into 10 parts. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have divided 20 into 10 parts. Again, I'm shading one part of it and I'm asking you how much is this. You're going to say 2. Because 2, if you multiply 2 into 10, you're going to get back 20. If I multiply 10% into 10, I'm going to get 100%. Correct? This is percentage. I'm doing nothing. I'm just writing total in terms of 100. I'm just writing total in terms of 100, and then I'm asking you how much is the part of it. So very simple formula we use for this one. What is it? You write the part of it, you divide it with total, and then you multiply 100, and then you're going to get the percentage that this part makes of the total. Now see, I asked you how much is 25%. So if I ask you, if I tell you that I have 48 bulbs, okay, and I say 12 are defective, so I ask you what percentage is defective. First you write this in the form of a fraction, so you write part by total, you write 12 by 48, and then you multiply it with 100, you multiply it with 100. See, you will get 25%. Gonna get, so now this 25 is what? That means that 12 is 25% of 48. This is the formula. That's it. Thank you guys.